Hi everyone, today I've got a lovely beetroot recipe for you today. This is ideal to go with a barbecue, a nice salad. My mum used to make this at Christmas time. You always had a Christmas Eve supper after Mass, Christmas Eve. We'd all sit down together and we'd have a big salad with some lovely baked ham, and this is one of the dishes she would make. It's a beetroot jelly. Absolutely gorgeous. I do make it a couple of times of the year and we all love it here. It's a very easy recipe. The first thing you need to do is dissolve the jelly. There's 3 different types of jelly that you can use with this recipe. I'm using raspberry, you can use cherry or blackcurrant as well. I've had both the other ones and they're really nice as well. So I've gone with raspberry for today, and it's a full packet and this is 135 grams. Get that open and into your boiling water, 285 mils of boiling water. So you want that to dissolve completely. Just takes a couple of minutes. Great, that's completely dissolved now. So I'm going to add a couple of more ingredients to this. I've got some vinegar here. I'm using white wine vinegar. You can use any vinegar really in it. So I've got 140 mils of vinegar. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Give it a stir. And I'm going to add 100 mils of cold water. And there you have it. Set this to one side. Get yourself a nice big dish like this one. I love this one because it's my mum's. And into here I'm going to add in my beetroot. And just to talk a little bit about beetroot, I boiled this morning, so it's one I've made myself. You can use the vacuum pack beetroots for this. Don't use the beetroot that you get in the jar with the vinegar. It's not very nice. So try and get some fresh beetroot if you're making this. And I've got a pound of beetroot there, 454 grams. Get it all in there. And now just pour over the jelly. Give it a little stir. Great, this is ready for the fridge now. Before I put it into the fridge, I'm going to cover it in some cling wrap so it doesn't pick up any smells. And I'm going to get it into the fridge for about 4 to 5 hours. You want the jelly completely set, so let's get it into the fridge now. And look at that, it's set beautifully. That deep colour and glossy finish, absolutely lovely. I'll take a spoonful so you can see the texture. It's smooth and soft, just right. Let's get some into a smaller bowl, which is more ideal for serving. This will keep well in the fridge for 2 to 3 days, just keep it well covered. If you don't need a big batch, I'd recommend just making half this recipe. It works just as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Try out the beetroot jelly and let me know what you think if you do give it a go. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy.
Scrummy.